Let's go to our main storyboard and add the two missing views that we are going to show, which is the finish onboarding part and the purchase history. And then there will be a third one, which is edit our profile view. So let's start with a view controller, and this is going to be our onboarding part. So I'm going to select the button here, finish registration, and just drag it to my view, and this is going to be a segue show. And let's just click on this, and we're going to change the type of show detail, which is going to simply replace our view. So this is the old model-y segue. So what we're going to do here is just put like name, surname, and full address so our user can finish the registration. But we need few labels as well. So let's put a label, and this is going to be title 1 size. And let's also make it center. And this is going to be onboarding. Make it bigger, and using our auto layout constraints, we are setting it in the position. Then we are going to need a button. This is going to be called cancel button. And I'm going to change this from system regular to bold, and also let's change the color from to have our orange color here. Make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to position it on the right left hand side here. So we have 20 on the left, on the top, 16 on the left. Width and height we're going to fix. So we have our button as well. Then we are going to need 3 text fields. So the first one, placeholder, is going to be name. Command C, Command V, this one is going to be surname. And the last one is going to be our address. And of course we need a button, which is going to be our done button. And let's enlarge this thing here, move it up. And this is going to have a background, just let's set this constraints to be 14 on top, 16 left and right. And then you can select your 3 text fields and put multiple on top, 16 left and right, add constraints. And now all your views should be set with auto layout constraints. So let me just change the text color here to be white, and the background by default I'm going to put this grayish, and let's make this also system bold. Alright, so by default our done button is going to be disabled. That's why we are setting the background color to be gray. And in the code, once our user inputs some information here, we are going to change the state and make the background orange so that our user can see that it was enabled. This is how our view will look. So if I run my application now, by clicking the button finish registration, I should be able to go and see my onboarding here. Right now my buttons don't do anything, so we're going to write the code. We're going to create the view controller that controls this view and write the code for each button in that class.